There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live streams again on Look Trades London. Let's see what we can do today. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. Yeah, in the 4 hour we could possibly fill this wick right here. Good morning, Shite. Oh, I was talking with my mic off. There we go. Let's see. Morning from Kenya. Oh, damn. Damn. Far away from me, man. We're pretty much coming up to a 1 hour resistance zone. But I do think we might fill this wick here up the top like it's doing right now. But I don't know how far we're gonna go up on gold. The 4 hour might be making top wick. This range is ugly though, like really ugly range. We don't really know what's gonna happen yet. We might even reject off it and stop continuing moving further up. So let's go to GJ in a second. Let's finish this gold part and then go to GJ. Yes, sir, man, like Alex. Yeah, on the 4 hour we made a support at 65, which we bought off. The perfect buy opportunity right here. On one side, good morning from Manchester. My first live session with you guys. Thank you, welcome. Yeah, at least. I do think that we might come back down. There's a couple things. We could go all the way back up right now, come back down, and then continue moving further up. These might be the first potential buys, and soon we might get the second ones. I think from this level here on, we're gonna go continue moving back down, come back down to this support area right here at like 66-ish, around 66, 67, and from that level I might buy back up again. So let's see what happens. Just to wait, be patient. It's pretty simple. But right now, if you're buying, you're going to be buying the high, so be careful. Understand the 4 hour close bullish in that, then that. Go buying the high. Look, first question, what do you think about funding account trading companies? Is it wordless or interesting? Well, it depends. If they pay you out and you're profitable, how the fuck can it be like? It's not that I'm like, how do I explain this? It's delicate because on one side I don't fully support it, and the other side I'm like, hey, if it pays you off, why not? If it really pays, if the company you're trying to get to pays you, then go ahead and do it if you need it. If you don't have your own personal big account yet, but make sure you are profitable before you're going to start it. Make sure you are profitable before you're going to start it, because yeah, I think from this moment on we might continue moving back down to the support level. Sounds pretty weird, but I do think that's going to happen. Might push a little deeper in, up towards the top, but I do think we're going to continue moving back down towards 66 soon. Let's see. We have a 4 hour rejection right here. One hour resistance. And then we have a 4 hour support right here. Yeah, I think so, Shahid. Yeah, I think so. I think it's gonna trap a lot of people, and then it's going against it. It's gonna be like, psych, that's the wrong number. It's gonna go downtown. But on a serious note, we are making some higher highs, higher lows. See, we came from this bottom part, 6, created a new higher high, came back down towards the top of this level right here, created a new higher low. So higher high, higher low, higher high, lower time frame, higher high, and higher low. Higher time frame, higher low, retest of the zone again, and then continuation towards a new higher high, creating a new higher low right now. For me, it's just how far we're gonna get up in this range, because this ugly mess right here, I don't know how we're gonna get through that right now. Maybe tomorrow with the news, but right now. Good morning, good morning. Good trade of impulse. Higher high. Yeah, depends. I trade retest breakouts. I'm looking into like rejection zones as well now too. So let's see. How many minute candlesticks? 30 minute right here. Our wick got filled, so this doesn't break. It has no business going further up. Good morning, BW. GJ-wise, let's remove all the analysis. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we could potentially fill this wick back down, to be honest with you. Create a resistance. I think if we have a little more of a pullback, that was already pretty okay. It did reject off this support level, right? Yeah, perfect, Ryan. Perfect. Yeah, crypto miner, you get the fucking vibe. Man, like TzRzetHz, don't worry about it. None of your business, right? Monthly, we closed bearish yesterday. The weekly we did close bullish, so probably in the first times in this month we're gonna be looking for buys, but let's see. Daily created a good support. Excellent bump. Good morning, good morning. Pretty much in this daily range right here. Let's see. 4-hour support has been created right here. Coming up to a delicate zone right here on the day on a 4-hour though, so we do need to watch out for that. Zone where we might reject off. We already showed 2 times rejection from this zone. So especially when lows get broken at 153, 300, 340, we're gonna come back down towards 800 again. So let's see. Yeah, we tapped into the zone to the left. Delicate situation. Let's see. Let's put some music back on. Line right here. So it's having a hard time pushing up there. Really hard time. 15 did close above just now, so let's see. I don't think we're gonna pass that 7-8 level, but I might be wrong. Who knows? I might be wrong. Let's see. Yeah, delicate. On the 4-hour, we have candle tops closing right here at the daily zone. Also where we create a resistance out on the 4-hour. So I might even be looking for sells in between here. Yeah, I might be looking for sells. Or we close above. If we close above this 688 level, we will continue moving further up, fill the wick and continue moving further up. We'll clean traffic to the left towards like 154, yeah, 110, 128. But this is delicate rejection zone right here. This is I know there's clean traffic to the left, but to the left further is some delicate situations. So, yo, Cody. Cody.
Yo.
How are you, man?
Chilling.
Nice.
Just getting everything set up.
Nice. So you're still looking at Euro USD, or?
No.
Okay, perfect.
No, but hey, you were there when were you there when AJ and I were talking about AU and how it's done nothing?
Yeah, 5
like
months of ranging. If you go to this pair, I had to laugh so hard about that. AD, with USD, right? AU.
Yes.
Look at this monthly chart. My God.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll get some movement out of it now. I think ultimately that's why I've been avoiding it, even though it moves
Now it should
cleaner
move.
than
Yeah.
EU.
Only like 200 pips. Like the bodies to bodies is like 150 pips or something.
Hey, you only need 10 a day.
Yeah, true, true, true. But if a monthly range is only 150 pips, it's gonna be pretty delicate, Cody. Oh
A
well.
whole lot of
Now,
breakouts, but you
yeah,
know,
it's out. Yeah, it's outside now, so you should be good. Especially look at the
we'll
weekly.
see.
Look at the weekly right now. I wouldn't sell because
That's
there's
what
no
I'm
wicks.
watching right now, actually.
There's no wicks. The selling opportunity was right here when price came back, but Papa boy. Yeah, you showed that. I was like, whoa.
Yeah,
I've never seen that happen before.
the sells are tempting, but I don't know if that's yeah. The sells are tempting, but I don't know if it's too predictable.
Yeah. Chilling with the low as well. Selling the low as well right now, so careful if you do that. For our body resistance. Yeah. If I'm watching 2 streams now, perfect.
We only got 8 people in here.
Yeah. Rest is in a requisition. That's okay. In the YouTube we have 130 people. So
They'll all be in here tomorrow for sure.
probably. Who knows?
I've been like, I ate a good meal. I got everything set up, and I was like, all right, let's get this NFP. And then I was like, fuck, it's Thursday. It's like I got one more day to go. See, when you trade from 12 o'clock at night till 8
Yeah,
in the
damn.
morning, you really start to lose track of what day it is.
You do need some time off the charts sometimes, though. 40.
Oh, dude, it's the end of New York and Asian. I don't look at it.
Okay.
When I get better at it, I'll probably will mostly trade just New York.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I'm just learning for now.
Yeah, that's good.
Taking some trades here and there.
Your USD any analysis. Can you do that for me, Cody?
A Euro USD analysis.
No, it's just someone asking the chat. I know. I'm fucking with you. I'll do it in a second. So if someone asks for your USD analysis.
Yeah, it's
How
making
is it
new
looking?
lows right now.
Yeah.
It's making new lows right now. So it's
Ooh, damn. Yeah, that thing is going down.
I guess you could say it's a delicate situation. We'll see.
Yeah, I think you need to wait for a pullback. You're selling the low constantly now.
I don't know if the volume is right
Mm.
for anything significant.
Ray, I'm on no endless chart, but it's slightly different from FXCM. That's because there are 2 different liquidity providers. Amy, so this is analysis. It is just charting up, and then getting planned to, to whatever is coming up. Trying to buy, sell the high, sell the low. Now we're trying to do vice versa, Where's Michelle?
She's sleeping. I'm kind of watching a couple levels for her on gold, and
Yeah,
unless I get close to those levels, I'm just gonna leave her alone.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, we're in this 4-hour range. 4-hour support on GJ. We have to wait. Gold wise, let's go back to gold for a second. We're coming up inside this range. Are you on a gold trade? No, nothing. Yeah, gold should have a pretty nice 1-hour candle close. 100% Professor Pippage, 100%. Let's see.
I'm be right back.
Oh yeah, perfect. Mr. Lloyd Stewart, do you only trade, only stream the London session? No. I also do New York, but today someone else is gonna do New York for me. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking at this as a pretty delicate price. Pretty much came up and created a report above the previous resistance zone. Let's see. One second. Yeah. You can buy and the kind of close. Oh no, definitely not. Look how weak this 15-minute candle is. I'd rather sell, to be honest with you. But we've established 15-minute support. Yeah, that's why I'd rather sell right here. But I'm not going to sell yet. Was an opportunity though, I think. Yes, Louise, like the stream guys. You know the vibe. Darius, watch out. Just wait. But it makes sense, trust me. I'm not gonna do it though. I'm waiting. Five minutes still above this level, so there's no fake out indication yet. Based on the 4-hour, we closed bullish above, coming up to this zone. So let's see. Chaz, good morning, good morning. Welcome. All the toxic people left today, yeah, session. That's right.
Luke, can I ask a question, or should I do it after the live?
What do you say?
Can I ask a question, or should I ask after the
Oh
live?
no, you can whenever you want, man. Yeah, go ahead.
Cool. So I was thinking about this yesterday, and I think someone mentioned it. Do you know what the main differences are between the movements of London session and the New York session? What you found were the main differences?
Especially for me, it's the market opens. Here in London, people expect market opens to do something. We don't really, to be honest. We don't really.
Okay.
And if you look at New York Open, NYSE, then price is really on the move. Like, price doesn't care, price is moving. There's volume coming in, and that's for me a big difference already. There's just a lot more volume in New York than in London.
Right. So the candles are built the same way, really, like, but it's just more quicker with New York.
Yeah, price action is the same, but it's just breakout, fake outs happen more often because there's just more volume. Same with gold. Cool. You see gold sometimes in the morning, like a little bit deeper in the morning. It has like problem to fake out because price is just there's lack of volume.
All right, okay. You're a star, man. Appreciate that.
Perfect. Thank you, man. Yeah, there's some news coming up today, especially also for gold, so we might be ranging. That's why I still think we might continue moving down. Are you streaming New York session? Yes. But today I will be I will only stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then Master P, where the team takes over at Tuesday, Thursday, for the Tuesday, Thursday stream. But that's a lot of fun. That was a pretty good buying opportunity right here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Lagging.
Good morning, Luke.
Yo, good morning, man. How are you?
I'm good.
Perfect. What are you up to?
Nothing much, just bought gold from 75 and closed at 78 now.
Ooh, nice. Very well done. Well done.
With a small scalp, pre-London.
How about you? How is it?
Yeah, pretty good. And just waiting maybe for price to come back down from this zone back towards this level right here. 68, 65, around that.
Yeah. There, you know, what I see is with my method that there are a lot of orders sitting at 78.
Yes.
So I just closed there.
That's
You see the reaction.
That's the reason why I sold. I didn't tell anyone.
No, I'll be very careful. You know.
I already sold at the top.
Yeah.
So good. I'm running like 9 pips right now.
Yeah. See, look at the reaction, man.
It's obvious. This is where money is at. Money
Yeah.
is there. You just have to
Gather
click
the
sell
money,
button,
stack
get
up.
the money. You're running 10 pips. I didn't call it out because this is like one of the
It's
first
risky,
time.
yeah.
It's the first time for me acting up on such an opportunity like this, so that's the reason why I didn't call it out. But
see,
I can show you guys where I got in and what I did, because this is, for some people this might be very delicate and against what they learned, so I don't want to say too much about it. What I pretty much did, I had stop loss right here, 7-8, and then opportunity for price to continue moving down after price tapped into this zone, because there's a lot of orders sitting here, and this is where people are buying, and there's a lot of money stuck in that place. A lot of money stuck in that place. So price is going to go up to that level, and it's going to fake people out. And especially why it fake people out is because there's money sitting here, and we normally I'd be buying on this candle. You know me, you know, everyone knows me. Everyone. And what happened pretty much was price was like, okay, hey, we're running up here, up to the top. Price was already going up without a bottom wick. And I was like, I'm just gonna say it straight. We had the order block to the left side right here, and we tapped halfway into the order block, and that was the time to sell. So it might be a little different to the strategy I normally trade, I know that, but I wanted to take this opportunity. I didn't really want to call it out yet, but soon when I get more comfortable with it, 100% I call it out. No worries. I'm already running at break even right now. But I call this you catch the top and then you move. You move. I'm running 12 pips profit right now, and it works. Like I'm normally, this is no Fibonacci right now. I use only an order block to sell off this level where people were normally buying.
You know, and quickly in profit as well, right?
What?
And the profit comes like this stack, you know.
Yeah.
It's just slip there.
Yeah. Like it's, for me it's like already secured like 12 pips. I'm still running positions, so, but it's like normally I'd be buying here. Yeah, BW, huge. Like for me, it makes sense because there's a Y, and in the normal, you know, conditions, what I'll be trading, there was no Y, and that Y got answered for me. And actually, if I go look back at my trades, look back at my trades, how many times I actually sell off one of those levels is mad. Like 80% of the time. 70-80%. So now I know what I'm actually doing. I'm even getting more comfortable with it. But this is the first time really executing on it. So
Okay.
like consciously knowing what I was doing.
But it's very
But-
fascinating, right?
What do you say?
But it's very fascinating, you know.
Yeah, of
Like
course.
how you know you are how you go opposite of what really
Everyone
most
else
of the
does.
people are doing.
Yes, yeah. Like most people would be buying right now, like buys. You know, and for me it made a lot of sense because what also I feel give props to AJ on this one. What he also said, like I don't care if I get out at break even out because I'm already at break even. I touched more than 13 pips, 14 pips, and we have this zone here to the left, which this candle engulfed. This candle got engulfed by this previous candle, which made an order block to the left, right? And what happens to those blocks is that this might be a whole new strategy, and people might be nagging off, and yeah, you might not, like this strategy. Go back to other strategies. I'm not trading this strategy constantly, but this time I wanted to execute on it. And we have this pretty much this block right here, right? From this line to this line. Wait, yeah. From this line to this line. And what happens most of the time, we push inside this block, respect the highs right here, and then fake out on it and continue moving down towards this block right here. It's all, at the end of the day, still based on, support resistances. But by doing that, you can know when a normal fake out is going to happen that you normally won't see. Normally people, like, for you, I'm 100% sure people were buying right here. People were 100% buying, and now it got down, broke the 50-minute low. Everyone is shitting their pants because it broke the 50-minute low, It's going back up now. That's okay. I already took profit. So yeah, it doesn't matter if I get out. It's all good.
So first, the banks enticed everyone to, they entered at 75
Yes.
and pushed it up to 78 to their sell order. And then in between, now they're playing with their emotions.
Yep. Yep.
Like,
You got
it's
it.
a trap.
Luke, you got it. This
Yes.
is amazing,
Yes, I
guys.
got it.
This is amazing. That's it. I see the difference. Oh my god, I'm excited.
You get me?
You applied it. You're a quick picker. You
Yeah,
picked
that's what
it, you
I
applied it.
said.
Awesome.
I got it. I made like 13 pips. My
My.
It's
There
running.
you go.
I have health position running still. It's about to get tapped out, but 13 pips is 13 pips.
Let's
Yeah,
have a
no,
look
okay.
what happens next. But perfect. Love it.
Thank you. Do you expect that the first day? Well, it made sense. It made 100%
Definitely did.
total sense. And you know what even gave me?
Definitely. Look at your left.
Yeah, you know what gave me more confidence in it as well is that the 1 hour open and it went out without a bottom wick. That was like, yeah, 100%. This thing is gonna come in the zone. Everyone's gonna be buying, and I'm gonna sell the shit out of it. But
That's
the
it.
thing
There's
is, I
many
feel-
things.
And I feel already so confident in taking switching. I take it over again, and now I know what exactly I am taking.
Yeah, have a look at the 4-hour resistance, monthly resistance, weekly resistance.
Yeah.
There is a lot going on in that area. You cannot
Yeah.
touch that for buys, at least until we
No,
have a
no.
complete 1, 2, 3 hour close above there. We have
Yeah.
all the confirmations, then we see. But nah, you killed it. Amazing.
Thank you. Playing with fire if you're buying. Yeah, I said it before. I was gonna sell. So for the people that took sells, well done. Give me 1 second.
This is your edge.
100%. You know that. I'm still running in profit, so
Write it down on the Zoom above there. Plus this many pips
yeah,
and gold.
I didn't really call it out. Like people had
Oh,
new
okay.
opportunities to get in. I said when I was when I was running like 5, I think, in profit, then I was like, yeah, I'm in L's. But this
No
time,
worries. Next time.
yeah, next time. So it's been pretty good. Yeah, let's see what happens to this position. Might get taken out, but that's okay. Profit already got taken, so don't worry about it. I do still think that we might continue moving back down towards that 66 level. I don't really think we're gonna push into this zone, like above this zone, above 7-9. I am out now. Position did get taken out, but that's all.
Yeah,
It's all good.
yeah. What is it? It is it is Frankfurt Open.
Yeah.
There is
Yeah.
London Open coming up as well. So it might
Yep.
stay and hover around that area, try 1 or 2 times. I don't know. But then the next destination, where do you think it would be? So if not there, it's coming back to at least, 64-ish area
Yeah.
on, because that's the next area after the fib we drew, and then we checked and all. So that was 50% at that time. Now I don't know how much it's going to be, but at least it's going to
Yeah.
retrace back downwards if it won't get the access to the tops anymore.
No, it's breaking this, so this could get invalidated. If this breaks the high, it's invalid.
Yeah,
Invalid.
exactly.
But
And
you already know we took profits, so there's no
Exactly.
stress. We're already out, break even. All good.
yeah, let it try a few more pushes, and if it closes above, voila, that's it. We change our perspective and look for next OB.
Yes. Let's see. We still didn't break the high, so it's still. But I'm not gonna re-enter. I already took my position in, and oh, good.
Yeah, our day is already done. Trust me.
What do you say?
I said our day is already done.
Yeah. Oh, come on. TzRzetHz to the
Yeah,
left. I'm like, shit. Normally I'd be buying here, but let's take a sell.
And how they do it, okay? They have if you check the volume chart and everything, you will find where they spike it. They put some 20% bait at like 75. Everyone just becomes happy bird, like now it's going to up cross the 1780, because I got some messages that
Okay.
is it going to cross 1780. I said unless and until they close their bearish order block, that is sitting at 1778.680, they will not let you go up.
It still didn't break the highs as well. Like
Yeah,
this block is being respected, so
The order block is still there, it's not gone.
Yeah.
So unless and until a support is formed above it, it breaks the high, and then the next level where the orders are sitting is 1780.352. So there as well. 1780.
oh here, yeah, right here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here's
yeah.
a mess.
And then
Here's
we
a
have
mess.
this one right here to maybe
Yeah.
back up, right?
Yeah. This one I think they will not allow, but let's see. They will. This one has to be broken with volume, with NFP volume.
Okay.
They will keep
Okay.
this as a surprise, when everyone will buy the NFP, week. And oh
Go ahead.
my god, yeah, they're not allowing anyone to go past that level. Yeah, still.
Let's see. A couple people.
I think YouTube chat will start to get a bit shocked now.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Oh
Why
well.
are you trading in worse?
Yep.
So,
Trading in reverse. Normally, what I'd be buying, first day, bang.
yeah.
It's
But
okay.
a while ago, a lot of people bought as well, by the way. So
I'm sure people started buying right here. I'm sure, 100%.
yeah.
Because normally I would be buying here. Cash in. Normally with my price action strategy, I would be looking left. I would say I would ignore this level, take buys up to this level, and it makes sense. It works, but I'd rather sell at this level because that's going to be the big move. This is going to be the short move. That's going to be the big move, maybe.
Yeah, more risk to reward ratios.
Yep. I took it with a small lot because like the first time cash in, but damn, different.
There is 10% more volume today than yesterday.
What do you say?
I said there is 10% more volume today in the market than yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday just became a bit Choppy.
I just took the same trade.
You did it too.
Yeah, I just took it
Nice,
a
regard
month
it. Max.
when it pushed back up.
Oh, yeah, I got taken out of break even at the push
Yeah,
to the top.
Yeah, that's when I sold.
Ooh, oh, you're lucky. But I
Yeah.
already had like 13 pips, so I was good.
Yeah, no, I got like 8 pips, and I was
Nice.
happy.
Nice.
I like that. It makes more sense, unless it's going to break above this area right now. Like it's it makes sense to sell there.
Yeah, 100%.
There's not a huge amount of volume right now, but sometimes gold can just fly away. But I don't think. But with NFP coming up, I don't think it's going to.
Yeah, that's what I had too. Like, how are we gonna push inside the zone? Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is probably gonna move it down towards like that 66 zone again, and see what happens there. Around that. People in the chat. It's good to see you are trying new things. Yes, Session. Oh, really? I'm not gonna say anything, but for real.
Yeah, see, they're not allowing to touch that level, right? 1775.
Yeah.
They're just
Yeah.
going to make the retail mad now. Up and down. It's just like a ping pong ball. Strike 78 sell. And 76, 78 sell. So I don't know how many billions they are making just by doing this.
Billions.
Not trillions, not billions. Yeah, billions is a small word.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's okay. Morning from South Africa. Welcome, man. Yeah, crypto miner is probably asleep right now. Or notes. But I do think a couple people took the same trade as I did, because called it fully out. Well, not fully, but I said I was gonna sell at that zone. So you get well done. No, I'm not looking for buys on GJ. No. It's like, it makes sense, but they're gonna rather sell at this zone, because just delicate.
So, Luke, shall I say the order blocks where they're sitting on GJ?
Right here, right? 153.6, like around 700. Go on the 1 hour 30 minute right here.
Yeah. And then the biggest chunk of order block is sitting not on this zone but far above at 154.945. The huge
154.
945. 945.
Oh,
Yes.
945. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's a daily or something.
This is the huge sell bearish order from the bank. Like, it's the massive one, the institutional sell order.
Okay. Interesting.
So, and what they did today, let me check what they are doing today. Today, interesting. Today they entered at 153.044. A small 10% chunk. 044. 153.0 below. Yeah, below 153.044.
153.044. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Here they entered here with this
Yeah.
candle.
Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, I see.
And it
Interesting.
will always be a volume candle with the. I was not looking, I was still in bed and I was not looking at it. Otherwise, I would also take
Mm.
buy there. But
Yeah, for me on GG, I'd rather sell here.
yeah. It's
I wanna
a
see.
mitigation bearish order block. Then yeah, if it
Yep.
rejects there, for sure it will slip.
Yeah.
And previously, I used to like 1 year ago. I used to when there is no top wick, I was saying, maybe it will make a bottom wick and come up. But this is the trap. Whenever the institutions come in, it falls like a block without any wick.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. It's really, really interesting. Looking for buys in G. Oh, I already read that one. No. Not really. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're about to hit 13,000. We're only 214 subscribers away, so hopefully we can make it at the end of this week. So if you aren't subscribed yet, you know what to do. You know what to do. Do this every single day. London and New York session live streams. So check it out, guys. Check it out. They just got on here. Any trades taken? Drexus, yes, we took sells. Well, at least I took sells. And I'm already out. Took around 10 pips. Went down around. I don't even know how much exactly. But I took sells at 77.5. Right here. Price went back down. Eisenberg, I looked here on the 30-minute time frame. It's right here. But it gets broken if this high gets broken right here at 79 flat. But right now it's still valid. What was your entry, Max? You're muted.
On gold?
Yeah.
It was 1777.76.
Oh, that's a pretty good entry though.
Yeah. And I closed at 1777.
Oh, break even pretty much.
No, that's
Oh, 8 pips, yeah, of course, 8 pips. Yeah.
close to 8. Right. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe Shami, but let's see. Let's see if this gets broken. Yeah. over 100 per dollar for that. Yeah. Everyone's saying sell. Yeah. I mean, 5 minutes starts breaking a low. Pretty good. I just took one. Not just now, no. Like before, the one I already took. No. So now I'm chilling. Don't want to overtrade. This was my first time executing consciously on an order block. And I was really confident. Really confident. And I think it makes a lot of sense because this got explained to me by AJ, and man, there is so many whys that didn't get answered to me in scalping, that just got answered. You know, and that's why I have a lot more confidence. I already take such trades like that. You gotta understand. I already take like pretty crazy like counter trend trades. I used to be a counter trend trader. Last year, my trades were based on counter trend. Like I was only doing counter trend. It's the only thing I was doing, taking fake outs. And now I consciously understand why that worked out most of the time. But now I see like, hey, this is actually a place where they're grabbing people's money and then going back down to fake everyone out.
By the way, GG sold.
Oh damn.
Right where people were buying, they sold off. You know.
But what? There wasn't really like, yeah, it was 4-hour resistance that you're buying into.
Yeah.
But there's.
Yeah. If you see, there is an order block. There is an order block again on the left side as well.
Where is it? This one.
Where? Oh, yeah, you're on the
Below.
1 hour, right? Just on the top. Shall I share my screen?
No, just annotate it.
Okay. Let me see. Where is the reaction, right? Where is the annotate section? Gluck. It's on which side? I have never done the annotation.
You need to go to fewer options at the top right here and then click on annotate.
Okay. Not so great with this one, man. Options.
What time frame do I need to go to?
No, yeah, stay on the 1 hour.
1 hour, okay.
So, I will bring the arrows. So if you see this here,
Yeah.
this hole is an order block. Okay?
This entire part.
This entire part is a huge 1 hour order block where they went up, down, went up, down. So if you see here, they took the liquidity. Came down.
Yeah.
Where the breakout traders were buying.
Yes.
Took out their liquidity and came down, and they had the support marked up here, and they broke it and went down with volume. The huge 1 hour volume, this candle shows that the banks were behind it. So now, either they could have mitigated the like their more liquidity. Like now, what would the retail guy would be doing? They'd be buying at this.
Retest this level right here.
Yeah. To retest this, what they did, broke them down.
Yeah.
These 10 pips. How much is it? 10 pips. They brought down, and now they again becoming bullish. So if they want to go up, first they have to take your liquidity.
Yeah. Okay. But does it make sense that price comes back up to this level, taps it, and then starts coming back down again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
But like
this.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. This whole zone is very important. Where the order block where it's found, it's just like gold.
Yeah.
The whole zone is important. So
Oh,
at
no,
any
I
given
see
point
it.
they will.
Oh damn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
So at any given level or point where they want in it, they will sell you off.
Yeah.
So for them it's like 10 pips, like let's say $6 trillion or something. They just made it off like this. For us, it's like 10 pips. Let's say $1,000 or $100, something like
Yeah.
that.
Hey, what's
Crazy.
good, guys?
Yo, it's good. Good. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Welcome.
Let's see. Because that's the same thing happening when I sold gold on, I think it was a 30-minute time frame inside this range. So you have this level as well. This level I sold off from.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Same, yeah, huge order.
Yeah.
block.
And
Huge order
then
block.
we tapped back inside it, and here were the sells. Continue moving back down again.
Yeah. It respected the bearish order block.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
All-
Let's see.
Yeah, you're looking to change up your strategy?
No, add things to my strategy, my friend.
That makes sense.
Enhancing.
Yes. Enhancing.
Yeah.
Changing is different. Then I would fully be going over to something else.
Hmm.
Just adding things. Look at like experiments.
Makes sense.
Oh, wait. I already took a sell today. Took like 10 pips.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I sold the gold right here. We came back up to this level, and we opened here with the 1 hour candle. And we started pushing up, and then the first push we only pushed towards like 88. No, probably like 88.1 something. But we went up without a bottom wick, and then we had this zone here to the left, this resistance here to the left. So I sold at 77.5, and then we went back down. I went back down to like 13 pips around that, but I already secured and put stop loss at break even. Got taken out though, but so good.
Oh, interesting.
Yep. Winning from Dubai. Well, it's pretty much a candle getting music. Pretty much a candle getting fully engulfed by a previous candle, which creates block, which might be respected. It might be disrespected, respected. So at that point, what it does.
Yeah, I'm not trading until next week, so I was just woke up later, chilled a little bit with Raja, saw what he was doing. And,
Nice. Yeah, it's delicate. Like, that's why I went to break even pretty fast in this trade, because you still have all that NFP and the beginning of the month, first day of the month. Don't wanna. I wouldn't.
tapping your stop loss now, I think, probably.
Yeah. My stop loss was right above here, like 7.9 around that. But that's okay. I already took profit. I was at break even. Because I was like, first day of the month, I'm just gonna lose. Like the first time actually executing on that, right? So I use small lot size, fast break even.
Soon you're gonna be like Osteoman selling in uptrends. We're like, the banks need their money, right?
48 I gotta sell. 49 I gotta sell. 50 I gotta sell.
Banks need their money at the end of the day.
Oh well. No, it's just adding some strategies, looking what works, what doesn't work.
That's cool.
I'm interested in it, and it's all good. I mean, there's not one way that leads to Rome, right? Just one way.
And what's wrong with what you were doing before, or you're already doing?
It's just, for me, what the biggest thing was that there wasn't always a why being answered, why I sold or why I bought. Even though, yeah, it makes sense that you have certain, like you have like five like a checklist, right?
The criteria.
Yeah, the criteria, right. But for me, it's like there was that. Why is price gonna go in there? Like, I understand clean traffic or a daily wick fill. That, like, those wick fills make 100% sense to me. Like, it's gonna fill those wicks no matter, like, not no matter what, but 90% of the time. But like on a lot of trades I was taking, it's like, yeah, not always why's got answered. And I'm just not that I'm gonna go to that fully to that strategy. I'm gonna still trade my own strategy like I was, like the strategy I've been.
You're just
trading.
looking for other whys to answer the things.
Yes. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna fully go over and all that bullshit. No. Just looking around, see what other things are, what other things are there as well. Yeah, maybe. Seeing you. Let's take a look, Professor Pippage. Oh, but you're already in from a lower point then. Oh, you're looking to buy here. When? Yeah, I think you're trying to come back to this level and buy again, right? Or you already bought? Let's go to the chat. Oh yeah, that's perfect, Professor Pippage. Oh, that's a savage entry.
Yo, man, I tried to unmute myself at 6:30 and Luke's muted me, man.
What?
You muted everyone, didn't you? 6:30.
Oh yeah, that was accidental.
Man, I was about to say hi, man.
Even myself.
Man doesn't.
I had myself muted too.
I saw your gold cells. Nice one.
Thank you.
I had the GJ buys. I was 5 pips up, got out, break even.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, for me it made sense because hourly he created a bomb wick, and then he shot up, and I was managing literally on a 5 minute, and so my entry was really interesting one. So my entry was 5.33.
33. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and
above
so I was managing it on the 5. So he came back with a 5 minute candle, and I was like, okay. The next 5 minute opened and went back up, and that started coming back, and I was like, okay, I'm closing break even.
Yeah, that's a 4 hour
like
zone that's rejecting because it should have pushed straight through it.
Yeah. And I was like, okay, I'm getting break even. So I even posted on Instagram.
Well managed, man. So well managed.
Thank you, man. It was even like a 1 minute as well. Like if you look on the 1 minute, he created resistance. So right this is the 5 minute candle that goes bearish, and those bullish 3 1 minute candles are the next 5 minute candle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that taps into the zone, and the next one rejected.
And when it rejected, I was like, I'm going out.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't like it. So it was well managed, to be honest. I'm proud of myself for that.
You're very well done. You see, got in profit. You also see that level to the left at 4 hour body resistance, and you're like, hey, we're rejecting on the lower time frames. Coming back to entry. No need for me to be in anymore after being also in profit.
I was expecting with the London sort of pre-London volume to push through, man.
Yeah, could understand.
I really whipped Sod.
But it seems like that it rejected. Did the booby trap candle? Now
Yeah,
it's
the
gonna
booby
break
trap.
up.
Yeah, I see. I see.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm not touching buys today for GJ.
There's an order block.
Yes, sir. No, I'd rather sell because at the end of the day, we came back down. We come back to this level right here. So I might want to see this retested. Then for me, perfect sells are going to be below this 400, 415. Going to continue moving down because that's going to be below this 4-hour support zone, and we have pretty much 3 clean candles coming down towards that 152, 808, 817 around that. So I think that looks pretty good because this is this zone here to the left, right? Not just some order block. There's a zone here to the left. And at the end of the day, what happened, if you look at structure, you know, we're coming down. This is the deeper low. But if you look on the lower time frames, like this 4-hour rather than the daily, monthly, weekly, we have a high right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We have one push down, lower low. Now we're maybe, if we're gonna reject this level and we're gonna respect this previous lower low, we might retest this lower low and even maybe continue moving down towards this level. But we don't know.
Expecting a daily support to be broken. It needs to do that to continue down.
Yes. So that's why we have to wait. And that daily support is pretty much on the level which I said. So. Now it's pushing, faked everybody out right here.
Might take profit with being hit.
Yeah, it just faked everyone out. It's like,
yeah,
that's nasty.
And it's okay.
Yeah,
it's okay.
I mean, you managed it like very, very well. So.
Oh yeah, spot on, mate. I'm really happy with myself for that. But that's now, really if I look on the 5-minute, there was another good entry. Over here. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because we hold in Asian lows.
Yeah.
And there we go. But yeah, it's okay. We've been having a good week anyway.
Sir. Could be ignoring me because I know Harry, I like you. Don't worry about that. Oh, crazy. Holy shit. There's a lot in the chat. Yo, Michelle. In the chat.
Yo, Luke.
Yo.
What's up? What's up?
What's up? I did it.
I know, I saw. I mean, hey, when I saw that trade, now I'm just looking right around here, trying to get the best place.
Where? What do you mean? What?
Well, based on what we talked about yesterday, and I mean, we are the exact levels that we talked about.
The problem
we were
is
back
this candle nearly pretty much, it still didn't fully break, but you have to be careful though now.
Right. That's what I'm watching right now. So based on the fact that we talked about these levels yesterday when we were in the 1760s.
Yeah.
And here we are. I actually told Cody, I'm like, if we get around to 1780, call me, wake me up. He called, he's like, okay, we're there. I'm like, all right, I'm up. So, I mean, when you can start calling and knowing, hey, probability of these chart setups says we're going to 1780 by London, and then it plays out. Like, you can't deny.
Yep.
just considering different strategies of how people are planning out what's going to happen. I know people say you don't know where price is going to go, and you don't. You absolutely don't. Like, I mean, a Trump tweet could happen right now. I don't even know if he's back on Twitter, but I mean, something like that could do.
As an example. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But as far as, you know, understanding charts on a different level and predicting that we're here, and when Abdullah does this, every time we hit the marks, every time, just like yesterday, he said we're going up, we went up. So
yeah, it's not just about that. It's just different strategies that I want to learn.
Absolutely.
And I mean,
you know, and he's called stuff, and I'm like, all right, we're going there. Doesn't happen, but later on we end up there. So I'm just looking to take an entry, and I'm waiting for confirmation. So I don't know. It's fascinating to watch it all unfold from a different perspective. And it'll have to be back tested. Nobody ever believes in a new way of doing it the first time they ever do it.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. It's all a question mark for a lot. Yeah.
You know, breakouts are real. Like if you'd have gone back here to the other levels where we were and broke out up to this level, then you take that breakout, you'd still have runners.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm about to block this guy. There we go.
I don't even know how you watch all that. Like,
oh.
I'm not in a trade, so I commented over there. If I'm in a trade, I can't even see all that. It's distracting.
Oh yeah, I'm watching it to the right side, but it's okay.
But having those guys come in from the gulag yesterday, and it is interesting when you see him talk over here, and then like Professor Pippage.
Nice guy. Good guy.
And then you get to see him on camera. That's awesome.
Yeah, because now, you know, fun fact, now you see the faces behind the names. It's pretty fun. Not all of them, but a lot of them.
Right. Yo, Professor Pippage.
Let's see. If Jesus closes above 1 hour resistance, will you be looking for buys? I mean, for me, it really has to close above that zone.
Yeah, I'd be looking for buys above there with clean traffic to the left and London open.
Trying to mirror this candle right here.
Yeah, with London open in 10 minutes. Looking at the daily, it should push. There's still upside to go up before it starts coming down.
Yeah.
Because now we're printing bullish market structure, so
yeah, we might retest this this zone right here again, the 153.560 level. Come back down one time, create support, and then create a breakout right above here, maybe on the 5, and then continuation. Let's see.
Yeah, if this resistance is respected, though, then we're ranging.
Yeah, for sure. Then we're stuck in the box. But we do have also some news coming up, so let's see.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, I'm not trading this week until this Monday.
Good, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you had a pretty good week.
Yeah, I had a pretty good month. But like statistically, the first week of the month is always the hardest for me. Like that was the only losing week of this month and also the previous month. It was just
it's like a Monday and a Friday.
Yeah, the NFP week is just gets me. So I'm happy that it's just this week closes in 2 days and we have NFP this week, and then for the rest of the month it should be clean.
Yeah.
Clean.
Yeah. tap pretty far into it though. Take a look at a couple other pairs. Yeah, we're about to come to London Open, so let's see what that's gonna do. I think it's gonna continue to fill that wick, but there's literally daily resistance right here, body resistance. So okay, the wicks are right here, so you could count it until this wick stopped. But let's take a look. Here is that 4-hour resistance. So you could buy up towards that zone, but I would be very careful though. I think the initial buys were already lower than this level, but let's see. Solution go for morning starts. I don't know what it is, man. But into it. GJ. Okay, what's about GJ? Last 5 minutes of this 1-hour candle do a lot. Gold. Probably gonna open one more. There we go. Yeah, gold stick situation right now. I'm not touching that. Already touched it. Oh, okay. Alright, okay. That makes sense, yeah. Yeah, who knows, CJ? Who knows? It depends. It needs to close strong, though. It needs to close strong, especially the 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame. And I think once we pass that 760 level, then we have time for price to continue moving up, come back down, create support, and then continuation. But let's see. Let's see. We could do a couple things in this level. The 1 hour is closing above, so that's all counting very well. This is a very, very strong candle. So let's see. The 30-minute hour is also very strong. No bottom wick, about to close in 2 minutes. So let's see. And at the end of the day, we still need to make a top wick or a bottom wick for, bottom wick is slightly there, but we're creating the top wick right now for the monthly time frame. We are about to break the daily high of yesterday. So let's see. One minute and 25 seconds left till London open. Yeah, nice, Edwin. Nice, nice. Does need to close above, but let's see. Personally, I took a small sell. Let's see. Around 3 pips up. It's coming to that 1 hour open, so be careful though. If you want to enter now, it's too late. Your entry should have been above already. It's pretty much, I'll show you. Oh, we're going down. It's pretty much, where's the entry? 7, 8. Stop loss is right here. 7 pip stops and target. Oh, shit. 7, 8. 7, 8. There we go. Stop loss is, target is pretty much right here. Stop loss is right here. And we might tap off this level again. So let's see. I'm maybe going to break even. But I allow this 1 hour also to make a top wick. So let's see. Not risking that much. At the end of the day, 1 hour closed below. Rejected from the zone. So if we hit stop loss, it's all good. We only have a 7 pip stop. Risk reward is pretty good. So let's see. And we can already manage risk based on the previous close of this 30-minute high, 1 hour high here at 7:33. If things don't start going our way. But let's see, 15 sort of closed. Projection wise, 5 minute exactly at where my entry is. So let's see. This level needs to be respected at 7:33 level. So let's see.
At least you're using stop losses, right?
Oh yeah, of course. I'm not stupid.
Yeah, of course.
Because, Master, if this level breaks, right, then it's a break of structure, right? Then we're re-breaking this structure, and then we coming up, you know. So
but structure is up.
Yeah, but this is re-breaking it. As I said, this level is re-breaking, and then we have clean traffic to continue moving up. You get me? So at that moment, if this breaks, yeah, there's no way that I'm still gonna be in, you know.
Of course.
Why are you looking for sales? Because the 1 hour candle closed below this range. Am I running a trade on GJ? Oh, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm never gonna enter a trade without a stop loss, Master. Don't worry about that. Always stop loss. And at the end of the day, you have to know what you're risking when you get into a trade, right? Like, exactly. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you're trying to go further back up again. By that break. Okay. Nice. Let's see if we hold. I mean, we have structure coming up. That 4-hour candle that closed, nice bullish candle, so it makes sense to continue moving up, but we could also reject off this zone, what I said before, this level right here. So let's see. We're running around break even right now. At the end of the day, this is the second time executing on something like this, so again, small lot size, very small. I wish it wasn't higher at this push, but it's okay. It's only like how much difference? Yeah, 4 or 5 pips. I am gonna close 50% soon though, because I want to see price move though. Or maybe I need a little more patience. If it re-breaks that high, I'm closing 50%. Yes, close 50%. At the end of the day, we still have to manage that risk. You got to take in consideration we're up to 7 pips stop loss, so it's pretty much nothing. Yeah, makes sense. Maybe I'm too early, but let's see. $15 enough. Me and gold. Ooh, nice. Ooh, yeah. Nice. Where did I've seen if you look at the 1 hour time frame, close below on PJ, we close below this zone. So, let's see. It is breaking the 1 hour high, so we could have that small push up. But as I said, I want to have a small stop loss. And also leveraging this off from the gold profits I made before. So that's all good. Just have to try it out. Mhm. If anyone has a chart, send it in. I'll take a look at it. Michelle.
What up, yo?
You take it out.
You know, I'm not going to talk about it. But it's a good situation.
It's good.
It's a good situation.
Okay. Perfect.
I'll tell you when we're done.
Okay, good thing. Nice.
You know what, Luke? It's interesting though. When you get on, if people pay attention, when you call levels, say what you're doing, like they can start to figure out.
Yeah. Well, I'm out.
You know,
I'm out of this one. But that's okay. Manage risk. The break of the high. So we're all good. We only had a 7 pip stop loss anyways, so. And I leveraged it with the gold profits. So we already took 10 on those, so that's all Gucci. So now, once we start breaking up, we're breaking this entire level. So if we come back down and tap into this zone again, there is a chance of continuation. Moving back up again, this way. So let's see.
okay, I never watched GJ. You know I don't trade it, but do you always watch it on the 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour, 30 minute, 4 hour. So. That's okay. Let's put it up on the screen. GJ sells negatives 7 pips. Yeah, we might retrace a little more before coming back down. Gracias. Good morning, good morning. Same, Adam. Same. But buying wise, we might come back up towards this level right here. Like 500. And then once we tap this zone, create resistance, then we might retest this zone on the higher time frames. But this could also be continuation of upward movement. If we consider this to be the low, higher high, higher low, retest up on the higher high. So let's see. At the end of the day, we're in this range. So how big risk per trade is okay for normal situations? I mean, percentage of account size. It depends. Like, it depends. How long have you been trading? How well do you know your setups? How confident are you in your trades? So I would just, if I was you, I would just start with maybe 0.5, and once you start getting more confident, go to 0.75, 1%, 1.25, 1.50, 2%. But personally, I would never go over 2-ish percent, 2.5%. Never go over that. Would never do that. I wouldn't want to risk more than that. Oh, I need to change my thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the same. Yeah, let's see where we're heading. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for price to settle now on TJ. Maybe create a resistance first, come back down. See what happens in this zone. Maybe buy back up, retest the highest, continuation moving up towards 154, 200. Or continuation back down, let's see. I do want to see a support created, or at least a rejection from this zone to continuation moving for the continuation moving up. At the end of the day, you can't win every trade, right? Please should I buy in this trade now? Oh, you gotta be careful, man. Got to be careful. Yeah, we just have to wait now for price to come back. See if we can pretty much respect this zone, because we broke this zone now. So let's see. If we come tap back into it, start respecting it, then we should be good. We at least should be respecting like the lows right here at 620. Shouldn't come down below this low right here if we want to continue moving up. Yeah, I think myself was a little too early. I think I had to wait till around 400 or 500, around that. I think those were the best opportunities to sell off from. Yeah, I was a little too early on this one, but that's okay. Yeah, BW, you know the vibe. I'm a little bit quiet today, but that's okay. I'm gonna talk a little more. Check out the order block from 154.2. 154.2. Yeah, so yeah, this entire zone, till here. Yeah. I had to wait for a deeper retracement, I think. I was a little too early on sells. Most candles were still printing bullish. Broke the 4-hour high. I think it was a little too early, but that's okay. I think, yeah, the 200 zone, I already had that marked up right here. But yeah, really that, oh yeah, this is really that block then. Makes sense, makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, HN, that's why I was a little too early. I was too early, I had to wait to 70, 61.870. But that's okay. You gotta understand, this is the second trade ever taken on the order block. The first trade we won, second trade we lost 7 pips, so we're still good. First trade we got 10 pips. Oh, good. GU, help look, Seppo, GU, buys. Okay. I mean, if you call this the bottom. Yeah, I think you should be good. You just have to respect this zone. If you respect this zone and start breaking back up 538, then we should continue moving back up towards this zone right here. Okay, check keys DJPY. Oh, be careful though. Markets are both closed for that pair. So the probability of volume is pretty low. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Go to G. Wait a minute. Oh, I don't know what you mean. Rejection on gold. Yeah, gold's rejecting from that level. Yeah, I see. Take a look at my gold chart. Yeah, sure. Gold chart. I don't see, man. I think you're sending in the entire link. You need to go to the top right here and click on this camera icon. Go to the right, and once you have this link over here, don't paste in the entire link, only paste in this part, and then I'll be able to see it. Check it out. So make sure you only send this part from /x/ blah blah. Send in that. Don't send the entire link, otherwise I can't be able to see it. I need to be able to, like what YouTube does. YouTube instantly removes links. So you think it will reject it? Pretty much. Oh well, it's all good. Yeah. No, I'm not getting it. No. Still not. You need to do it one more time. Yeah, it's not tapping against that zone. I'm probably not going to re-enter. I already took 2 trades. Maybe I'm going to look for one more entry, but I'd rather take an entry on gold. I always flow more with gold. And gold is still at that level. Look left at this zone. But I do not want to enter yet. What's the name of this song? Hear the Noise by John Daly and the 41 Players. It's pretty nice, so it just kind of closed bearish now. But I think the best entries were still up above, like 7.8, 7.9, around that. So. What are you willing to see on gold? To be honest, I rather want to see price fall now, like just start dropping. I'm not in it, and then maybe from 64, 60, 66 around that, buy back up if we stay in this range. But let's see. Probably not, but let's see. But though, I gotta say, those gold sells we had, man, they were good. Because the 1 hour went up without a bottom wick into that zone. Sells, starts creating a bottom wick. Pretty good. Maybe on the long term, this is gonna go further down towards that level. So maybe I need to hold it longer sometimes and let it go into negative sometimes. Yeah, Adam, he will come on probably tomorrow. Something maybe this afternoon. Who knows? Dr. Dollar, you want to know a fun fact? This is all free YouTube on a free audio library on YouTube, so I'm not copying anyone. Mr. Dr. Dollar. And at the end of the day, it's not his music, it's everyone's music. Everyone's music. It's YouTube's music, so don't worry about it, fam. Looks like it's into 5-month rate range. Really? Oh shit! Let me see. AUD, USD. Oh shit! Yeah, it's support right now. Retested those lows. Damn. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What a handsome man making money. Thank you for the stream. Thank you, Emeka. I'll see if weed. Oh man, I don't smoke, Robert. I don't smoke. What do you do though, Mr. Robert? Which one do you choose? It's bouncing back off of this level right here. Yeah, gold is going. I think this gave you one chance to re-enter. I think I could have taken it, but I was actually deciding, but didn't do it. But it's all good. It's all good. We already took the same sales there before at the same spot. And now it's pretty much breaking down. Yeah, there you go. That was the entry right here in this zone. This retest one more time after this candle closing bullish, bearish, I mean. That was the entry. I think I was gotten in a little too early, so they were like, yeah, like people are selling right now, we're gonna take them out, and we're gonna take out the buying options. The money that's right here above, take their money. Take the money that are selling, of the people that are selling right now that weren't able because I already took profit, and then create that resistance to sell back down. So I think it was a little trap, but we made it out safe on gold. We made profit on gold, so that's all good. Sir, I'm long from 1990. Shit. You're in a delicate situation, man. even in a 1 cent, that's some good money. Yeah, that's delicate. I don't know what you're trying to do though. Why did you buy it 1990? One side, I don't believe you though. Yeah, I think that's a joke. I think it's not real. Will you show me that it's real? But I don't think it's real. Ooh, we're 5 subscribers away from 12.8k. So for the 5 people that are in here that haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Right, I did 15. On GJ, right? Yeah. I think. Yeah, for me too. Same thing. As an example, top 155, 166, down to 0 is 152, 612, 618. So running at that 50. I think if we go back up towards 70 slash 68, one in between that zone, nearly tapping that 68.1, should be able to continue moving down. But I'm not going to take it based on that. I want to see some market structure too. There, I just checked the order books and there are people long from 21. How? We never hit that, Rodney. Never hit that. We only had like 2,075, so maybe your spread took you in. What do you think on a gold sell to break with a 5-minute low? You're already too late, I think. You had to sell right here, this zone. Then you would have already been in profit, already probably secured profit. But if you really still want to sell it, could do. I mean, 5-minute close below, one full clean candle to mirror here towards 72. No, that's 73. So I think if you break that low, you should continue moving down towards that level. But the better entries were above this 77.4 zone. There were the better entries. Look. Harry, what's your email or Instagram? My Instagram is right here. Instagram. Put it up on the screen. Make sure to follow as well. But put in the link for you in the chat. Send it in, and then I'll take a look at it. Who's short on GJ then? zone. It was a good zone though. I gotta tell you. I'm not, but it was pretty good. But let's see. But if you were in this, you should be up pretty good if you took it from this low. I'm not doing that though. That's a little too much for me yet. Look like that, yeah, that 60, 60, 76, 2 level right here, the top of the previous zone is sort of being respected right now. So we either could respect it or break down. So we could break down and then we have to start breaking down that 75, 6 level. Otherwise we might be respecting it coming back up to 7, 8 again. And range till maybe New York. Yeah, we're breaking it down now. So let's see. It's about to break it. Didn't break it yet. Let's see. There you go, it broke it. I think we should continue coming back down to 73 now. Let's see. I'm not in this anymore. But now we might be continuation. It might be continuation of this fake out. I know, especially once that 4 hour flips going back towards this level right here, 72.6, 6-ish. So let's see. But you're already too late if you want to enter. You already had to be entering right here at 77-ish, 778, 777, yeah, around that. I had entries at 778, but price still decided to push up, get those orders here, and come back down. So at those moments, if you're in right here, the good part about getting in here is that you're already at break even. If you had entries right here, even if this candle closed and it went back up, you could have still entered here at 778. Then you already had your stop loss at break even because you're up pretty well, nearly 20 pips. So that might chart. Oh yeah, let me take a look. Instagram. They sit. Let's see. Let's get it. Oh damn. Are you selling right now? I think, and you want to sell at 1830 again. Okay. Buy back up and then sell back down. So pretty much what you're trying to do is you're trying to sell now, buy here, sell back down again. Okay. Let's take one more chart. I mean, if it makes sense to you, go ahead. Oh, why did it do that? Oh my god! I'll just put like this. I'll fix it. Oh my god, that's stop. Paste it. Now we good. Looks like we're sort of respecting still that 76 area, but as said before, your entry should never be here because you're selling way too low at this moment. They've already been at the top. Oh, just more zoomed in. We're looking at this level here, and buys back up from this level. Okay. 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 Perfect. Right. They make it kind of high for. Okay. If it comes to that, final short entries. Okay, Harry. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So you expect price to come back up one more time to that 7.9 and then drop. I still think it's a very good selling opportunity right here at this level, but you're in too late. You should have been already in 7.8, 7.9, around that, between that zone 7.8, 7.9, maybe 7.78. That was good. Yeah, entry I had, but from here it was just too low. This was the place. See. Yeah, that's true though. That's true. That's true. That's true, Professor Pippich. But I remember a few weeks ago when you gonna enter gold sell 1901, but you didn't want to get in. I got in into that. The epic potato, I had a sell right there. Go back to it. I had a sell right there.
Hey Luke, can you look at the news and break down what's coming up?
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty delicate. Soon we have some red folder news for the pound. Do have some euro folder. The euro already happened, but we have some more coming up. But those are all one orange folder, two yellows. Not that much. Mr. Bailey starts speaking for the pound, so that could really do something to price for the pound. 11 o'clock. Still same thing. And then we have those OPEC meetings. Pretty dangerous red folder. So that's why I'm being careful now. Took 2 trades, one winning, one losing. Canadian bank holiday, so everyone is trading CAD, be careful. And then we have unemployment claims. That's going to be some fireworks, in my opinion. We have manufacturing PMI. So I think 2:30 fireworks and 4 o'clock we're going to have fireworks on my time CET. And then Friday we're going to have some more fireworks because we have unemployment change, Spanish unemployment change, orange folder at 9 o'clock. London Open tomorrow. And then 2:30 we have President speaking on the Euro and USD news, and that's gonna be NFP. So some crazy stuff is gonna happen right there at 2:30. So let's see. We could be ranging now, like till that happens. Till that happens, we could be ranging. We could be tapping 7.8 and 7.3 for a very long time. But we could also break out. If we break out, you know, let's see where we're going, either up or down. That's what everybody knows, right? So let's see. Yeah, London could be quiet tomorrow. Maybe the pound is moving at that time, but let's see. I mean, New York session is gonna be fun. So we're gonna be doing New York session, of course. No questions asked. We're gonna be doing that. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Maybe we'll play with some buy stops, sell stops, low lots, and have some fun. Because sometimes you have to have some fun as well, right? So.
All right. Thanks for that. Are you doing New York today?
No, not today.
Master P's doing it?
I think so.
Okay, awesome.
Is he still in here? Master P.
You know, the strategy that you put on GJ is the same strategy I put on gold, and it worked.
Yeah, I was thinking about reselling again at 7, 8 around that, but I was like, yeah, I already took sells, and there's a lot of news coming up. But if I sold again from that wick, because I was literally looking at it on my left screen, if I sold again, let's say at the same place where I entered, that was already 30 pips right there. So. Good selling off list. I was too early with my sells on pound yen. Should have waited for 881 to happen, because that order block here to the left, that was a way bigger order block here, and we've still too much in bullish momentum at that time, so it made sense for price to tap here and retrace. We might come back to this zone or this zone that we have marked up towards that 1 hour zone right here, or the 30-minute zone right here. But that would already be a pretty good situation, because if you had, like, there's people that have sell limits right here. If you had a sell limit exactly at that level and 881, you would be running in profit. So, but I'm more looking into gold and doing this sort of stuff. And at the end, I do still want to trade some of my own strategies, but see also like what's there, what else is there. Sometimes moves big time in London. I don't know. Helpful 1 hour. Yeah, the problem is if you have that London session, there is going to be times where price is just going to stay at the same place for a long time until New York. Unlike last year we had pushes in London. Like last year, beginning last year, or even mid last year, like the time we're in right now, if you go back, I think they're like, if you go to London Opens, we have 50 pip pushes London Opens on GJ. And now, yeah, we did have a push today, but far from 50 pips. And not the way price was doing that at that time, because price was, you know, now price is first ranging or waiting for the first minutes, first 15-30 minutes before a move's gonna happen. And at that moment, like, it was the minute open price, market open, price was moving. And at those times, you had some amazing sell stop, buy stops, and break up the highs, break up the lows. Yeah, now it's rejecting this zone. If you were in from the top, you should have already secured at least 30 pips. At least 29, 30 pips, 25, even like that. For me, JJ sells were a little too early, but luckily we took the gold sells before, which worked out. 10 pips. So we're still good for today. Didn't fully call that one out on the screen, but still okay. About delete. Yeah, Harry. Maybe. Oh, nice. Not moving. Standing still. But sells right here from this. That was 8 o'clock. Sold from that tap. Actually pretty good. Can't even say anything to that. My god. Oh damn. Yeah, you see a lot of people, new people coming in right now. They come off the other live stream and they don't understand what we're talking about. We'll talk about that next week. But that's a nice opportunity right there, to be honest with you. Could have been a little early, but man, it's 40 pip drop. I don't say nothing about that. Ashland, Nicole. Maybe, who knows? We tapped from this zone. We might continue moving further up because there's clean traffic to the left, but I do think in the middle of this zone, between 200 and maybe 151, we're going to create resistance to come back down. But who knows? We could continue moving up. So at the end of the day, we're creating a new higher low on the daily time frame, closed above. But at the end of the day, it's still pretty good. But we're about to come up to 10 o'clock. So let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds left for this candle to close. On gold, we're gonna be closing bearish at the moment. Gold can do. Gold's not playing games, Esther. Gold is not playing games. It's not. It's all good. But it could be playing games in the last 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let's see if it does. Let's see. Look, what country are you in? The Netherlands. Oh wait. I mean, you guys gotta understand though, I made 2 trades today, yeah? I made 2 trades today, but you guys understand that we have those OPEC meetings, we have news coming up right now for the pound, like right now, pound yen news, and that's Mr. Bailey speaking, so be careful. Selling from that zone was a very good idea. A couple people are still doing that. Well done to you if you did that. You had some steel balls. So We have.
Good morning.
Yo, good morning. How are you, man?
I'm all right.
Perfect. Perfect.
I'm done trading for the day already.
Is that Guala?
Yes, that's Koala. What did you do,
Hey,
Koala?
Michelle. I bought gold last night
Oh, damn.
and fell asleep on it. Yep.
You fell asleep.
You woke
Mhm.
up in profit.
Yep.
This was the level. Honestly, I should have done the same thing. I went to bed. I was like, Cody, watch this level. Watch, like, please call me if we get here. He woke me up. He's like, we're there. We've arrived.
I sold gold from 77, 5 or 8 or something. Made 13 pips profit. And then I had a too early sell on GJ here in this zone right here. I don't exactly know, like 680, it was 686 or something, so it was a little too early. But that's okay.
Yeah. I think I'm about to really start doing that more. Just like looking around like 12 a.m.
Yep.
Placing trades, go to sleep. It worked for me. It worked yesterday too.
Yeah. Savage.
Yeah, man.
Savage.
Who wants to make a separate account for the news on Friday?
Savage.
Want to make some money?
Ooh, there's the news coming in on GJ. News is coming in. Mr. Bailey is speaking. Right here, you see the news. Right now.
Jesus.
Red
Jesus
folder.
Christ. Wow.
Blah, blah, blah.
Wow.
Is it flying? Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
5 minutes taking off, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna throw some wicks depending on what he says.
Probably. Let's see. Yeah, Ashland wasn't expecting that too. That's a big push up. Look at it on the 1 minute. Oh, damn. Woo. 1 minute. Up and down, side to side. That's a lot. It's like 19, 20 pips. Well, not a lot, but it's something. That's so much. Damn. Damn. Oh, damn, Federico. Savage. Savage. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream on this one. We've been streaming for nearly more than 2.5 hours now. Yeah, 52, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. A little lower 50. But thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again. Yeah, it's all gonna be a lot of fun. So bye bye and eat in. Yeah, I just think, still think gold's going to go down pretty.